ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸੂਰਜ ਫਿੱਕਾ ਜਾਪਦਾ, ਸਾਡੇ ਦਿਲ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗੀ ਅੱਗ। ਅਸੀਂ ਬੋਟੀ ਬੋਟੀ ਪੁੱਜ ਗਏ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤਾਨੇ ਮਾਰੇ ਜੱਗ। ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਨੂੰ ਗਲ ਨਾਲ ਲਾ ਬੈਠੇ, ਉਹਨੇ ਅਸਾਂ ਨਾ ਪਾਇਆ ਵੈਰ। ਸਾਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ, ਤੇਰੇ ਹੱਥੀਂ ਉਜੜਿਆ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ। ਸਾਡੀ ਮੰਜ਼ਲ ਦੂਰ ਦਰਾਡੜੇ ਤੇ ਕੋਹਾਂ ਲੰਬੇ ਰਾਹ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨੈਣੀ ਗੋਤਿਆਂ ਮਾਰਿਆ ਤੇ ਬਾਹਾਂ।
Sometimes it's good to be alone. Gives you a chance to reflect on where you've been. See, the truth is, the brain doesn't know the difference between what you imagine to have happened and what actually happens to you. So as you're trying to build a better tomorrow, it's important to go into the future and see the person you want to be and the work that it's going to take for you to be that person.
So you want to be normal. So you just want to be like everybody else that roams the world, not knowing the power that's in them. Being fine with being mediocre.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की।
In the gym, as in life, it's not about the destination. It's about the journey. Every drop of sweat, every ounce of effort, and every struggle you endure in the gym is a testament to your commitment to bettering yourself. You're not just building muscle, you're building character. You're not just lifting weights, you're lifting limitations. Every rep, every set is a step closer to the best version of yourself. So when you're in the gym, remember that it's not just about what you're doing, it's about who you're becoming. Embrace the challenge, push through the pain, and know that with every workout, you're one step closer